Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm making this video to fix an issue with Forza Horizon 6. Game's been out now for 4 days-ish, 3 days. Came out May 19. People have been dealing with this issue since early access testing. So I found this amazing Reddit forum from Legendary 441. It'll be linked in the description. And it basically talks about the FHC01 error that we're all facing regardless of the card you have. I have a 1080, 8 GB. It's a EVGA super clocked version. As you can see here, I last updated it May 19, and it explicitly says it works with Horizon 6. The most I could get out of one session was about an hour. I'm going to show you guys what I did to get to that point. If you have a NVIDIA card, you'd want to right-click the desktop, show more options in the NVIDIA Control Panel. When you've opened the NVIDIA Control Panel, just go to Manage 3D Settings here, and then you would want to go to Global Settings. And the first thing you'd want to do is scroll down until you can see Vertical Sync. You're going to want to turn Vertical Sync off. Normally it's on Use 3D Application setting, just have it always off. The next thing you'd want to do is adjust max frame rate. Normally this is uncapped. Put it on and set it to 60 FPS. Your game is going to look like shit, but you're actually going to be playing. That's all that matters at the end of the day. Another important thing is CUDA sysmem fallback policy. Just do prefer no sysmem fallback. Other than that, that's about all you can do. The next thing I would do is to go into Horizon 6, which I'll do now. So the next thing you'd want to do is go to Settings, go to Graphics and Performance. Here are my settings. I'm on medium on basically everything. I have this completely off because it says ray tracing if it's on. If you go over here, it's the same thing with ray trace GI graphics. It adjusts night shadows and some other things. Those are all off, and everything else is on medium or high. For video, here's my video settings if you want to copy them. I have VSync completely off and I have frame rate uncapped. You can cap it to 60 as well. It's totally up to you. Anti-aliasing on with TAA, but you can use reflex or whatever you want. You can also use fidelity, but I haven't tested these, so I wouldn't recommend it. Other than that, that's about it. The game plays fine, other than having the occasional crash. And as we can see here, like, I'm playing perfectly normal. There's no problems. The graphics look decent. I'd prefer if they looked better, but I mean, there's nothing else I can really do at the current time. This computer can run this game at about 80 frames a second on high at 1440p, no problem. But with this amazing bug, this is the max I can play it as. I also forgot to mention, I downloaded the latest Visual Studio Redistributables file. I'll have that in the description. Here's a confirmation of me installing that. Other than that, that's about it. Otherwise, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you so much for watching this video and understanding what's going on. I just want to put light on the situation as no one's making videos. They're just sending like a bunch of slop in our direction. That's not helping us. So I'm like, you know what? Let me go make this video and clear some things out and get, the actual facts in here. If you're on a Pascal card, leave a comment down below if you're dealing with this type of issue. If you're also on 20, 30, 40, 50 series cards, let me know. And that also goes for your Ryzen people. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's hope we can get this fixed soon. And if it does get fixed soon, I will release a new video talking about it. Take it easy.